Welcome to this tutorial on Google Docs. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to translate any document in Google Docs. Now, you might have several documents, or you might have some documents which you're interested in translating for use personally or to send to others. So I'm going to select just this option here. I have a recipe book, and this is a pancake recipe. In this pancake recipe, I can't wait to try it. So we'll be showing you how to translate this document into another language. So first, of course, you have to open the document. Now, Google Docs has 133 languages which you can translate your document into. In order to do that, you need to go to the top menu here where you have the different options, and we'll be interested in tools. So when we click on tools, we have different options here. We're going to scroll down to translate document. So when we click on translate document, you can see translated copy of recipe book. Now, of course, the name of this document is recipe book. It has added translate copy of this document's name. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to change that to make it more personalized, and we're going to put the language that we're changing it into. Now, this is really not about performance. It's really about being organized. So when you see the document, you would know exactly the language that you have it, especially if you're translating it to different languages. So we're going to go right ahead and choose the language. So we're going to change to Ukrainian, for example, and we're going to go down to look for Ukrainian. So we're going to scroll down to look for you, and there we have it, Ukrainian. So we're going to go ahead and click on translate. So just these two boxes here, the name, you put the name of the language you're translating it to for better organization, and then you choose the language. And then we're going to click on translate. Now I tell you, that was fast. Now we have Ukrainian recipe book. And the form is the same, just as we have it here. We have about 9 steps. And here we also have 9 steps. So it hasn't touched anything else. It only has translated this document. So here we have in English pancake recipe. And here in Ukrainian, we have Recept Mlintiv, and you have the details. So you could go ahead and read it in the language you're interested in. We're going to give it another try to translate it into another language, say French. So again, we're going to go to Tools and Translate Document. We're going to change this to French, right? And we're going to look for F. There we have French, and we're going to click on Translate again. And there we have French. So when you click on translate, it's going to create a new tab with this document, with a copy of the document, but this time in French, which is the target language. And if I go to another tab, we have it in Ukrainian, and now we have it in French, and we have it in English. Remember, there are 133 languages. Now, if we go back to our main dashboard for our Google Docs, you're going to see it in French, Ukrainian, and English. Cool, right? So you can make pancakes now in any language you like. So this is how to translate any document in Google Docs.